How to do 540 kick. Before attempting to learn 540 kick, you have to know how to tornado kick. If you don't, go check out my tornado tutorial and come back after you learn it. Okay, first we need to have general understanding of 540 kick. It's basically high tornado kick, but you land on your kicking leg. It's important to have strong and high tornado kick before learning 540. On 540, you are using your hip much more and pushing all the way from the jump to the landing, kinda like forcing your kicking leg through to the ground fast with the hip turn. This is a good practice exercise for 540 kick. Lift your knee up like this. Use your hands at the same time. Now add the jump and land on both feet at the same time, like this. Remember to turn your hip like this, fast, when kicking. Now hybrid. It means landing on your right leg. That's the leg you would kick with. You don't need to kick at all at this point, but try to make the kick bigger little by little, raising the kicking leg to go higher over the other leg. Swing your kicking leg like this and jump and land on your kicking leg. Now just add the cheat step and combine it with the last exercises. Kick your knee little higher, turn your hips faster and force your kicking leg fast through the movement to be able to land on it. Use your arms and extend the kick. Now that's how you learn the 540 kick. Like and subscribe and comment what trick you would like to learn next.